Mudit Shetty, the founder of FRUT brand based out of Bangalore, and we are bridging the gap of the frozen berries in the Indian market by importing the fresh frozen berries from the respective origins. Say, blueberries are from Canada, raspberries are from Czech Republic and Poland, mulberries and blackberries are from Serbia. We are providing the best health food that is known as superfood in the Indian market. People are accepting this, loving the berries, and they are using them on a daily course of meal. And along with that berries and fruit pulp, we have started fruit fillings and the fruit sauce for the dessert and bakery industry. And the show was very well organized by the organizers, and people are loving the products, and we welcome people to try out our products and use them in their culinary art. Thank you.